Hi everyone, I hope you're. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into Bitcoin once again. Thank you, support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you to each and every single one of you. So right now, Bitcoin is basically retracing here to a nominal level of support. Okay, hold that support. Fantastic for continuation. Lose this support, then obviously you're going to start to put in a bit of a reversal wave, losing that low. And I do anticipate you coming down and retest these lows down here. Okay, and if you do start to lose these lows, then you're going to have technical targets at the downside. But the minute you've not got no technical targets at the downside because you're holding key level support, you're still creating a higher low just there. Okay. That little wick is still higher than that, and you're creating a higher high as well. So you're retaining market structure at the moment, which is good. One thing that Bitcoin's done here, which is amazing, okay, is got the close above this particular trend line. Do you see this neckline? Okay, this blue line, which we've been targeting for many months. Okay, look, you've broken through it, rolled back and found support and closed above it, which is really good. Okay, so I know we're getting a bit of more of a rollover here today for Bitcoin, but we are looking for a bottom structure. Okay, on the daily time frame, you need to see some kind of bottom out pattern. You know, and technically you do look for W bottom patterns like this. Look, you come down, come back up, resistance, support, and then you break out to the upside. So for me, you are getting quite overextended, oversold, should I say. You're getting very oversold for me for Bitcoin on the daily. Okay, so this is a perfect place to find a double bottom pattern. You know, just as we did down here, oversold, boom, start to break up. Down here, oversold, boom, start to break up, and you are rolling at below 30, which you're losing the purple zone. Okay, the stock RSI is in the floor as well. So at the minute, you are good for a reversal pattern, basically, for Bitcoin. Okay, so if we can create a beautiful little bottom pattern here and start to pick up, then you will be looking at a beautiful impulsive break. And I do think that this particular technical target up here at 78,583 will actually be met for Bitcoin in this bull run, okay, which we are currently holding support of. Understand that, and we've closed above this neckline just here at this previous level of resistance on the weekly time frame, and we're now back testing and turning support, which is good, which is what you want to see. And like I said to you so many times, the market moves in waveforms. Okay, so you come up here, you retrace, impulsive, retrace, impulsive, retrace, holding support. You know, look at that. You're looking at a beautiful ascending channel right there for Bitcoin, providing you can continue to do what you're doing. It's holding and back testing support. Okay, so right now, Bitcoin, let's, as a thought experiment, say that you retrace into a nominal support, okay, and you're holding that support, and you're not going to go any lower than 1414, and you can see that what you're doing, you're working through the fib. So you run into the 1618, came back down, you lost the 1414, so you targeted the 1272 support, and right now you come back up, found support on the 1414, ran into the 1618, a little bit of extended, and now you come back to the 1414 again, and you start to pick up like this. You're working your way through the fibs, okay, and this to me will be the next level on the fibs, which I do think that Bitcoin will try and get to. But obviously it's going to do it in waveforms again, as this did, waveforms to get to this 1618 from the 1272. Do you understand that? So it's basically a game of support and resistance and Fibonacci. So far so good. Bitcoin is holding support for the continuation. You're having a bit of a rollover here. Okay, let's take a look at the daily. We are looking for some kind of reversal pattern. We are very oversold, you know, on the daily RSI just there. I've got stock in the floor as well. So what I'm going to do is look at a 4-hourly time frame just there to see if we can see anything. Okay, so again, I mean, look at the oversold just there for Bitcoin. It starts to bounce and pick up. Okay, so right now you're creating a bullish divergence just there on the 4-hourly time frame. Okay, do you see that? Because basically you're putting in a higher low and a lower low on the RSI, so that's called a bullish divergence just there. Okay, and you're getting a little lower low just there, so you've got a bullish divergence, so some kind of bounce is coming. Now I'm going to give you a technical target just there for Bitcoin, which I do think it's trying to get to on the 4-hour, because there is a bit of a double M top pattern that's formed just there, and you've lost support. So it's from there to there. I think that Bitcoin is trying to come down and create a beautiful double bottom on the 4-hour with a bullish divergence. So you've got 46527. I think that you might get some cheeky bids on that particular level, and then you're going to carry out a bullish divergence. And with that, potentially, you know, coming up, do something like that, start to come back up, and you've got a beautiful little ascending triangle, and you start to form a reversal pattern with a bullish divergence, and that's where you start to break out to the upside, and you've got your reversal. And this is what we're looking for. Put some cheeky bids on 46599, and you've got this double M top pattern, and basically a descending triangle pattern, you know, that's going to come down and find a key level support, and that'll be that retest of that bottom just there. And I do think that at that point, that's where you start to break back up to the upside. For Bitcoin, again, nothing I say is financial advice, but on the weekly, we've got a beautiful close above a key level resistance, back test and turning support. We've got the fear and greed index just here at 16. You know, last month it was at greed. Looking for continuation? I think not. You want to look at continuation and big waves that come from extreme fear, and this is what we're looking for. We're looking for a big monster wave, aren't we? Wave 3, which I've spoken to you about, and we're only got to get that when we're in extreme fear. That's basically a quick little update for you on Bitcoin. Take care, everyone. Back soon with another update on Bitcoin. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.